another comment here to share with you. Someone said, I got skinny shamed. I was 5'11" and 125 pounds in my teens. People would talk smack like, go to the gym and eat some protein. And I mentioned that even in the video. Excuse me. I mentioned that even in the video that sometimes skinny people can be shamed because of their body type. If you don't have a big butt, your butt is so flat. People, like I said, they say whatever they think they want to say. Lynette says, you appear to be very confident, which has been encouraging to me. Thank you for putting your journey out to the public. It truly helps others. I appreciate it. And I have been more vulnerable, I think, about my weight than I have ever been in my life. And it's liberating, quite frankly. It really is. It's helping me in other areas of my life where I'm normally non-confrontational. I've been like that forever. I don't like controversy. But I find that sometimes in my effort to be kind, I'm actually not being kind to the other person because I get upset about it and then that's not looking good, So let's go to Tammy's comment. Now, this is on another video. This is on my weight gain video. I'll just take a few more. So we'll go to the weight gain video I put out a couple days ago. I had a 1.1 weight gain. Tammy says that I'm not mentioning names, but I just made a mistake. That's okay. It's public. But she said that old scale can be a downer. My weigh-in is tomorrow. I hope that smoked sausage that she had with cheese didn't mess her up. And I can totally relate. I had the worst day ever yesterday. I actually went over my points by 51 points. 51. I think I had a total of 51 when the day was over. I went over about 30, 40. It was terrible. It was terrible. So my weigh-in day is tomorrow. That was my only date that was really, really bad. So we'll just see what happens. We'll just see. So let's see what another comment about my weight gain video was. Oh my, this is a life change for us with our eating. So we're not going to be golden for the rest of our lives. We're learning. I didn't think I did very well this week and lost 1 pound. So little by little, we're doing this. We may not even know it. So you'll be down again. Vegetables are so important. My husband and I are eating a lot more salads. So I totally agree. This is a journey, and that's why I call it that. Because it takes time, it really does. It didn't come on overnight. It's not going to go all off overnight. And it is what it is, I'll hang out about till 9:15 tonight. So if you have any more questions for me about my journey or any of my videos that I've put out thus far, please feel free to drop it in the chat and I'll answer. Last comment, though, I have for tonight. It says, good morning. This was the time that they wrote it. It says, good morning. I haven't joined a meeting yet, but I will do that. So this video was about why I love Weight Watchers. And I really do love being a member of Weight Watchers. It has, I've done it before in the past. I did it like 2 other times, but this time I'm actually doing it for myself and I have really, really enjoyed it. So someone says, I used to do virtual meetings, but haven't for a while. Might have to get on one like your top. Oh, okay. They must have been talking about the top in the video. Appreciate it. Yeah, those virtual meetings are... I love it because you don't have to get dressed to go nowhere. If you don't want to show up on camera, you don't have to. I mean, I really have been enjoying it. Last comment we'll take for this evening, unless you all have anything else. I have one here. This is about my my kale wrap that I made. I had a couple comments on that video really quick. So somebody says, oh my goodness, I'm going to try that. Still haven't found the star fruit you talked about. So I talked about star fruit too in the video. Hey, welcome to whoever's joining us. We appreciate it. I'm just live tonight talking about the video I put out earlier about being fat shamed and also just reading some comments from previous videos. If you have anything you would like to talk about, I'm going to hang out about another few minutes. Hey, KR. Hello, Kimmi and chat hand pink waving. Hey, welcome. If you have anything you want to talk about, let me know. So this video, now that I'm referring to the comments, is about the kale wrap. If you guys are not here, I fell in love with a kale wrap here in Atlanta. And I ate that thing like 2 weekends in a row and just loved it. So we do have a comment. So Lynette says, will you do more lives in the future? If so, how often? I definitely will. I just have to find out what is the best time for the audience, what's good for you all. We do have another comment from Miss Max. She says, you have inspired me to get back on Weight Watchers, so keep up the good work. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. And you guys help me too, because when I make a mistake on counting, which I have done so, I'm like, oh, it's only 2 points and it's really 30. Hey, welcome everybody. You guys keep me honest. You hold me accountable, and I really appreciate it. And I really do feel like this is a community journey. I really do. I have enjoyed so much sharing this, and you all inspire me when I hear that, hey, I tried this, or I tried a star fruit, or whatever it is. It really does make me want to keep going. It really does. And I actually reached out to Max the other day, and I ate a bag of chips. They were 8 points. And we have a little, hey, fun kids, welcome. We have a little chat that we do, myself and a few friends, and we keep each other motivated in there. That's another way. If you have a small community of people that you know who are also doing Weight Watchers, that's an excellent way for you to get instant support. You know, sometimes I'm out making a bad choice, or they're out making a bad choice, or they find a good food find and they share it. You know, I've been getting some recipes from Max and Lynette. Those are they're both very good friends of mine. So I don't know how much I can share yet. So that's why I'm keeping that kind of generic. But let's go to one more comment. Hey, fun kids, if you all have anything else you would like to ask me about my journey, please feel free. I'm here to answer questions. So Tyra has said about the ingredients that I was talking about, the wrap. She says, I'm in Youngstown, Ohio. Went to a place that's kind of like a farmer's market, and they didn't have it. I guess she was looking for that star fruit. I mentioned that Publix had the star fruit. I didn't realize it would be that hard to find a star fruit. I didn't realize it. I did want to mention this other comment though. So this was about the wrap. It says, that's so neat that you made an alternative for your $20 wrap. And the wrap is $20 if I did not tell you guys. The one that I've been enjoying in Atlanta is actually $20. So they say that is so smart. The only thing I would add chicken. So they were saying they would have added chicken to it. So it was a veggie wrap. It was kale, cranberries, or raisins. I use raisins. They used the vegan mayonnaise, but I didn't use that. I just used the sauce that came, not sauce, the salad dressing that came in the bag, the pre-packed bag. I used that and then whipped it all up, and it was really good. So go back and check out the kale video if you have not. And then I was told also by this person to check out the WW recipes, because they have a lot of different wraps on there too. So I will definitely be coming to you with more recipes as I continue to try them. As I've already stated, I'm not the best cook, but I am going to be cooking simple recipes, and hopefully that would inspire some of you also. Well, again, I just wanted to hop on for a few moments and go live. While I have you all here, what's a better day for you? Is it Sundays? I did put out a poll, and it seems like Sundays around 7 or 8. While I have you all here, what's the better day for you for us to go live and kind of chat together? And I do use StreamYard, so if you ever want to come up on stage with me and talk, you can feel free. Is Saturday night better? Let's see. Is Friday, Saturday, or Sunday better? Let's start there. Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And I know it'll probably be the evening, so we can say 7 or 8. What day and time is better for most of you? Looks like when I did the poll, it was Sundays was the better day. So let me know right quick, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this up, because I know it's late tonight, and I appreciate you all for hanging out with me and those who will watch the replay. Looks like Saturday, Friday. Oh, no, we get a little bit of everything. Can we get one more vote? Let's see. Can somebody break the tie? Let's see. We got Friday, Saturday. Anybody else want to vote? Okay, I'll probably do one more poll and see, because for my schedule, I think it may be Sunday night. Sunday will work too. Okay, good. So we got another Lynette saying Sunday could work too. So yeah, so I'm going to think about doing Sunday. I'm going to try to schedule this next one so we can all be on the same page, because this was kind of quick. So a lot of people wasn't able to make it. Okay, well, on behalf of Healthy Life with Kimmi, which is me, I do thank you all for being here this evening, and I will see you all soon, okay? Much success on your journey also. Bye. Until next time. Okay, fun kids. I got that. Any of those days. Okay. Thank you. Well, you guys have a great evening out there. Bye.